yeah. Bangkok is it's grimy and it's like gross sometimes. It's Bangkok juice everywhere. The people are really nice, you know, and the city is like, there's something about it that you can't beat. Like, I haven't been anywhere else that makes me feel as at home as Bangkok. This, by the way, is not a backdrop, it's a truck. For me is the heat. I'll be honest, a lot of people are like, oh, I just want to go somewhere like warm and like tropical and eat, drink, consume coconuts, and I'm like, sounds great till you're there sweating your tits off. And for me, you know, I would prefer somewhere a bit more temperate. I don't know where yet. I mean, I was in New York and I freaking loved it, but it was freezing. Maybe the answer is just to travel around the world towards the temperature you most desire. Map check. Alright. A little bit more to go. Let's do it. There's an odd thing happening. Who's this? This dog must be, alright mate, calm down. Inappropriate. This dog must be so hot. Like, I'm sweating and I don't have any fur. I only have like one real layer. Mate, let's find you some water, come on. New mission. Not all dogs in Bangkok are friendly. Some are terrifying. Many are close to death, which is really sad. There's always some like dog, what are they? Like rehabilitation centers or something? Anyway, like a lot of times if you see a dog that's in distress, you can phone someone and they will come and pick the dog up. You just tell them where it is. But those places are usually overrun and overcrowded, so it does become a little bit difficult. And sometimes, like last night when I went out, there was like 5 dogs, all kind of like, I mean, they obviously weren't passed out, but they were all just like, all kind of in a line, just on the way into the bar. It's pretty sad. I mean, they get fed from, you know, street vendors and stuff like that, but it's definitely a problem. just I went and picked up the longboard at the guy's condo. Took a while for him to come downstairs. Anyway, oh yeah. The thing is about all this stuff, right? Like I've got so much stuff and it's just like everywhere. I really don't want to pack everything up and like throw it away or give it away. I've got just a crap ton of business books that I'm like, oh really? I just gotta like throw those away. I bought those from like a bookshop. I really enjoyed owning them. But now I gotta get rid of stuff. This is my change jar, like foreign change. Do I travel around with that? Probably not, it's just change. Not really sure of what to do with it. Yeah, it's all a bit much. Probably not gonna take this, probably gonna eat this.